I was an exhausted mom. I had no energy to take care of my family, let alone take care of myself. I was a coffee-holic. I swear my blood type was dark roast. I would get home from work, crawl into bed, and literally crash. And my boys would come in and they'd wake me up after school. Mom, we want to go to the park. Mom, we want to go swimming. And I'd have to tell them, guys, mommy's sleepy. Maybe when I wake up in a little bit, we'll go do something. Well, maybe later never came. I was scrolling Facebook and I came across a post. Her post said, "Do you need to find your happy and healthy again?" And I'm like, yeah. On my 10th day, I remember waking up before my alarm and I just felt good. Like I could feel this electricity going through my veins and I had energy. I was actually smiling, which at my point in my life back then, that wasn't me. I came home from work that day and I grabbed my kids because I just felt so good. I said, we have to go have fun. We're going on a bike ride. And they looked at me like, who are you and what did you do with my mother?